Continuing with competitor number 3, Clayton Sandel will be presenting The Failing Heart Speaks, Voices from Single Cells.
Can you think of 5 people you care for? Statistically, one of these people will be diagnosed with heart failure in their lifetime. And there is a 50-50 chance that he or she will be dead within 5 years. This is a fate shared by over 600,000 Americans who are diagnosed with heart failure every year. It is so common that many people in this room likely know somebody with this disease. Today, we know a lot about how heart failure begins after the death of President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, who died while still in office during World War II in 1945. At that time, his blood pressure was 300 over 195, and the president's own physicians did not know that his hypertension could lead to heart failure, and they did not have the right tools to treat it. His death led to the establishment of the Framingham Heart Study, which has taught us that heart failure may begin with risk factors such as hypertension or a heart attack. These risk factors strain and damage the heart, causing a normal heart to become weakened and enlarged and fail, like this image on the right. Since then, decades of research have given us drugs to treat high blood pressure and other heart failure risk factors that have improved survival in the short term. But long-term survival remains nearly unchanged for 50 years, and now 5 million Americans live with heart failure. Our research suggests that when the heart becomes damaged, the muscle proteins of the heart are released and activate the immune system. And initially, these cells heal the heart, but some attack the heart and recognize it as foreign. A cycle of inflammation begins that causes more damage and scar formation, and this autoimmune reaction in the heart cannot be stopped by current treatments. The good news is that we live in an age when many new drugs are being developed that could break this cycle, but we need to know exactly which cells to target. Through our research, we aim to identify those immune cells that migrate to the heart, cause damage, and should be the targets of these new therapies. This question can only truly be answered by studying the human heart, which is why our study is enrolling heart failure patients who undergo surgery to receive a life-extending mechanical support device. And as part of this surgery, a piece of their left ventricle must be removed. By treating this tissue with specific chemicals, we can separate individual cells and measure their behaviors one by one. We can analyze tens of thousands of cells in this way very quickly. Our research using this single-cell analysis will enable us to determine which immune cells are responsible for this damage, this cycle of damage and scar formation. We will test our observation and open the door to a new paradigm for heart failure treatment so that this diagnosis is no longer a death sentence for millions of people we know and love. Thank you.